Hi, I'm Jeff with Rotovac. I wanted to take a minute to show you the new see-through head on our Rotovac ShearDry. It's the same configuration as the previous model, where it has the wider edges in the front so it can reach into the corners real well. It's got the same dual direction spray bar with the dual vacuum slots on it. Very easy to use, very lightweight. Now you get to see when you have completed the job when the dirt is gone and the water is all picked up, so you know when to move on. It's got the same vacuum relief. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust the flow on the upholstery tool, then we'll begin to clean and you'll see the difference between this tool and the standard stainless steel upholstery tool. So this was an extreme case of cleaning something that's horribly filthy, and if you're cleaning things like this, then you are advertising in the wrong marketplace. This is just to prove a point of how nice this tool functions. As you can see, while cleaning this, there was no overspray. You saw everything you were doing. You saw when it was recovered. It's very comfortable in the hands. It doesn't weigh anything. All of our tools come with a 7-day money-back trial period. So give us a call today, and we can get one out to you so you can try for yourself.